When it comes to setting the bar in the automotive world, few do it like the Armstrong Group. With 38 dealerships across New Zealand and over 18 automotive brands, they've built a legacy on innovation, excellence, and setting the pace, never following it. We're here in Auckland at one of the country's largest dealership networks, where the Armstrong team is once again stepping ahead, this time with body liner protective coatings. From showroom floors to their high-end auto body division, these guys don't cut corners. Let's head into the shop and speak with Jose, who runs their auto body division here in Auckland, and see how they're putting body liner to work. Hey guys, it's Brad from Body Liner. I am here with one of the largest dealership groups across New Zealand, the Armstrong Group. This is Jose, and we are so excited to see Body Liner enter these shops. And Jose, I gotta say, what a beautiful group of dealerships that you have here. Can I ask, what is the Armstrong Group all about?
Yeah, so Armstrong's group is quite diverse across all sectors. So we're a multi-franchise dealership, and naturally I've got the pleasure to run the automotive space for them, the body shop.
I gotta ask, Jose, what brands do you guys all service?
So we service multiple brands, so from Mercedes right through to Mazda, Lexus, Toyota. So yeah, we've got Porsche, Audi, so a multitude of dealership and brands that we look after. If
I was seeing correctly, back in the Mercedes area, you guys even have, I think, some Maybachs sitting back there?
Yeah, we do. So we got some pretty awesome stuff laying in the back.
And what is it that first attracted you to some of the body liner products that we have available here in New Zealand?
What really spoke to me was the durability of it, number one. The easy application that I became to understand, and naturally what it does, the value that it brings to the customer. I would say a lifetime application for a customer, and that's what we're looking for, something that's got durability through a period of time. So yeah, that's something that was really exciting to get.
We were here in the booth spraying Ballistic Flex Clear. Ballistic Flex Clear is a paint protection film replacement in clear coat form. No worries about lifting edges, no worry about peeling, yellowing, fuel spilt on it, no big deal. It's not gonna discolor or have anything lift. The same impact resistance as paint protection film without the disadvantages of paint protection film. We saw the painters do an amazing job in the booth. But Jose, I'm so excited to hear what your client feedback will be from the vehicles that you're gonna be spraying. And I gotta ask, what did you think of the application process?
So the process to me, and what I observed looking into it, was in the beginning, the guys were a little bit uncertain on what the expectation was. But once I saw the team engaging into the product and getting involved, the excitement started to build up, which was great. And what I saw was pretty easy, man.
Well, I am thrilled to be working with the Armstrong Group, one of the largest groups here in New Zealand. And I just gotta say, Jose, thank you so much for your time.